Welcome, noble seekers of knowledge, to Ancient Earth Apothecary. I am Elara, your humble guide from a bygone era, now here to share with you the secrets of nature's bounty. With summertime upon us, and everyone making their way to the beautifully sunny beaches, have you ever found yourself basking in the warm embrace of the sun, only to later feel its fiery kiss upon your skin? Sunburns, though common, can be quite troublesome. Fear not, for today we shall explore 7 ancient remedies for sunburn relief. Remedies that have been tried and true for centuries. Gather around, for the wisdom I share is steeped in ancient traditions and enriched by modern knowledge. 1. Aloe Vera, the plant of immortality. Let us begin our journey with the revered aloe vera, often called the plant of immortality. Ancient Egyptians cherished this succulent for its healing properties, using it to treat wounds and burns. Aloe vera gel, rich in vitamins and minerals, provides a cooling sensation and promotes skin repair. Aloe vera has been used for over 6,000 years, with records showing its use in ancient Egypt. It was considered a sacred plant and was used in embalming rituals due to its preservative properties. Imagine Cleopatra herself applying the soothing gel of aloe vera to her sun-kissed skin, seeking relief from the intense Egyptian sun. This humble plant was her secret to maintaining smooth and supple skin. To use aloe vera for sunburn, simply cut a fresh leaf and apply the gel directly to the affected area. If you do not have access to a plant, look for pure aloe vera gel in stores, ensuring it is free from added chemicals. The cooling gel will soothe your skin, just as it did for Cleopatra. 2. Milk, nature's calming elixir. Next, we turn to the cooling and soothing properties of milk. In ancient India, milk was used as a natural remedy for various skin ailments, including sunburn. The proteins and fats in milk help to reduce inflammation and moisturize the skin. Milk has been utilized in Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, for thousands of years. It was often combined with other ingredients like turmeric to treat skin conditions. Picture an Indian healer dipping a cloth into a bowl of cool milk and gently applying it to sunburned skin, providing immediate relief and comfort. To use milk for sunburn, soak a clean cloth in cold milk and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Repeat several times a day for best results. The calming elixir will soothe your skin, just as it did for the ancient healers. 3. Oatmeal baths, the ancient soother. Oatmeal has long been used for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Ancient Greeks and Romans used oatmeal baths to treat skin irritations and sunburns. The polysaccharides in oatmeal form a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and reducing irritation. Oatmeal baths have been documented as early as 2000 BC. They were used in ancient Egypt and the Middle East for their therapeutic properties. Imagine a Roman bather luxuriating in a warm oatmeal bath, feeling the gentle relief spread across his sunburned skin, the discomfort melting away. To prepare an oatmeal bath, grind a cup of plain oatmeal into a fine powder and add it to a lukewarm bath. Soak for 15-20 minutes, gently pat your skin dry, and enjoy the soothing effects. The oatmeal bath will comfort your sunburned skin, just as it did for the Romans. 4. Honey, liquid gold of the ancients. Honey, often referred to as liquid gold, has been prized for its healing properties since ancient times. The Greeks and Egyptians used honey to treat wounds and burns due to its antibacterial and moisturizing qualities. Honey helps to reduce inflammation and promote faster healing of sunburned skin. Honey was used in ancient Egypt as a key ingredient in many medicinal preparations. It was known for its ability to prevent infections and promote healing. Envision an Egyptian healer applying honey to a warrior's sunburned skin, the golden liquid offering both relief and protection. To use honey for sunburn relief, apply a thin layer of raw, unprocessed honey to the affected area. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes before gently rinsing with cool water. Repeat as needed to soothe and heal the skin. This liquid gold will provide your skin with relief and healing, just as it did for the ancients. 5. Vinegar, the cooling remedy. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for sunburn. Ancient cultures believed vinegar to have cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective treatment for the discomfort of sunburn. Vinegar has been used since ancient times for its medicinal properties. The Greeks and Romans utilized vinegar for its cooling and astringent effects on the skin. Picture a medieval apothecary carefully diluting vinegar to apply to sunburned skin, the cool liquid providing much-needed relief to weary travelers. To use vinegar for sunburn, dilute it with an equal amount of cool water and gently apply it to the affected area using a soft cloth. Alternatively, add a cup of vinegar to a cool bath and soak for 10-15 minutes. The cooling properties of vinegar will soothe your sunburned skin, just as they did for travelers of old. 6. Tea, the herbal healer. Tea, particularly black and green tea, contains tannins that help to reduce inflammation and promote healing of sunburned skin. Ancient Chinese medicine often utilized tea for its myriad health benefits, including its ability to soothe skin irritations. Tea has been used in China for over 4,000 years. It was traditionally applied to the skin to treat various ailments due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Imagine a Chinese herbalist brewing a pot of strong tea and applying the cooled liquid to sunburned skin, harnessing the power of nature's healer. To use tea for sunburn relief, brew a pot of strong black or green tea and let it cool completely. Soak a cloth in the tea and apply it to the affected area, or add the tea to a cool bath for a full-body treatment. The tannins in the tea will heal and soothe your skin, just as they did for ancient Chinese herbalists. 7. Cucumber, the cooling vegetable. Cucumber, known for its high water content and cooling properties, has been used for centuries to soothe sunburned skin. Ancient Egyptians and Greeks used cucumber slices to reduce swelling and irritation. Cucumber has been cultivated for over 3,000 years, with records of its use in ancient Egypt and Greece for its hydrating and soothing properties. Picture an ancient Greek beauty reclining with cucumber slices on her sunburned skin, feeling the immediate cooling and soothing effects. To use cucumber for sunburn, chill a cucumber in the refrigerator, then slice it and apply the slices directly to the affected area. Alternatively, blend the cucumber into a paste and apply it to the skin for a more intensive treatment. The cooling properties of cucumber will provide relief, just as they did for ancient beauties. In summary, with a quick recap, our exploration has unveiled 7 ancient remedies for sunburn relief. 1. Aloe Vera, the plant of immortality, providing cooling relief and promoting skin repair. 2. Milk, nature's calming elixir, reducing inflammation and moisturizing the skin. 3. Oatmeal baths, the ancient soother, forming a protective barrier and reducing irritation. 4. Honey, liquid gold of the ancients, offering antibacterial and moisturizing properties. 5. Vinegar, the cooling remedy, providing anti-inflammatory effects. 6. Tea, the herbal healer, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. 7. Cucumber, the cooling vegetable, offering immediate cooling and soothing effects. As we conclude our journey, remember that these ancient remedies are gifts from nature, passed down through generations, and now verified by modern science. Whether you seek to soothe a sunburn or simply wish to embrace natural healing, these remedies can be your allies. I invite you to incorporate these ancient treatments into your daily life for sustained skin health and well-being. If you found this voyage enlightening, please bestow upon us your subscription and share this wisdom with others. Your support helps Ancient Earth Apothecary continue its mission to blend ancient remedies with modern knowledge for the betterment of all. Until our next journey, may your skin be calm and your spirit uplifted.